Do you know how much propane is left in your propane tank? It's been a problem for us for a long time, but we found a product that works really well, and I'm going to share it with you. Recently we had to get propane in our tanks, and what we found out was our tank was expired. We had it recertified at a propane dealer, and they were telling me about a product that helps identify one of the biggest problems in RV life, and that is understanding how much propane is left in the tank.
And now, for today's PSA. Some of the links below are affiliate links. If you buy something through one of those links, we may earn a commission at no cost to you. Amazon throws a few bucks in our tank, which allows us to keep this circus rolling down the road. And based off of the earnings report, $1.28, we're basically rich now. Okay, Dad, back to you.
This is the Mopeka ProCheck sonar sensor for propane tanks. So let's unbox this guy, and we're going to attach it to a tank and do the setup through an app that you can see the levels of how much fuel is in your tanks. So how this sensor works is it sends an ultrasonic pulse through the bottom of the tank, determining the return of that pulse, like sonar in a submarine. So to set this up, you hold the sync button down for about 5 to 10 seconds, and that syncs the Bluetooth of the device with the app on your phone. It simply attaches to the bottom of the tank via a magnet. You place it right in the middle, and that's all there is. The rest of it is all in the app, and that's what I'll show you next. So on my Grand Design fifth wheel, the propane bay has an open bottom. So what I did is I stopped by a Harbor Freight and I picked up a 12 by 12 rubber pad that fits perfectly in that bay, and that would mitigate any possibility of that sensor falling out and going down the highway. So you just click on the bottom mount, because that's where we have ours mounted. And you can see right away that we have ours labeled driver and passenger. And this is why it's so valuable for me. You can see that they update right away. You can set the update rate, but you can see the level of the tanks. That driver side tank's at 31% and the passenger tank is full. No more guessing by golly as far as how much propane is left in that tank. It's really, really easy. But if you click on the settings, once you're in there, then this is where you go in and you name that tank to whatever you want. It's easiest for us because we have one on each side of the fifth wheel, that we just labeled them driver and passenger, and then that way it's just as easy to keep track of which side is which. I hope you found this useful. It certainly was useful for us when we obtained this information. I would ask that you leave a comment and let us know what you're using or process that you're using to determine the level of propane that's in your tank. It's a great discussion to have. Also, give us a subscribe if you like this type of content. Hit that like button. It tells YouTube that this is the type of content that you enjoy watching. And we'll leave a link to this in the description. And in the meanwhile, enjoy your camping, and we'll see you on the next video.